And let me tell you how to use all these cream people produce, even in as far to the ones the white people produce. You don't know. When you're using a cream, it's an advice I'm giving to you. When you're using a cream and you've gotten the shade you need, then you do what? You discontinue the cream. It doesn't matter that you want to use it till you get disfigure your body. You know, it's not like that. As a matter of fact, this is honest truth I'm telling you. Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, I say how on a day. If today is your first time, you are really coming to our channel, subscribe and like, share every of our link, and you get it, and also hit on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. You know what I mean? Okay, it's a quick one. As for those of you who wants to buy your skincare product or organic product or cosmetic as well, okay, you can always call on the number on your screen. Just call on us or chat us. You know, we ship everywhere we ship. US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, you know, even other Africa country as well. We ship everywhere. And also I want to let you understand that our prices are all affordable, you know. And as for those of you who go call about skincare product that y'all want to buy, the recipe you want to buy this, you can call out for our product, but on recipe you can call us, you know. Even when you call out for recipe, she will tell you she not selling, you know. She gonna direct you back to us. She gonna direct you back to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria for real talk. You know what I mean? And also I did show you guys about this product as well. I did show you guys about this product, this trendy product right now. Look at it proper. Look at it. Yes, this is it. White, you know, is the current cream right now, you know. Irish Ladies Body White, aka Yellow CC. This cream is gonna give you to 7 shade lighter, shade whitening, you know. I tell you real talk, ain't nobody telling you lies about it. Look at it. Boom, are you getting it? And so we have a lot of product to display to you. You all know this, you know. As a matter of fact, that you really want your cream to make the best out of its own, the way you're producing it, you gotta use this. You gotta use this Glutathione Ampoule, you know. Some people go for the other one, Dr. Skin, you know. Yeah, you can go for that one also, but this is the best. I tell you, this is the best. It controls a lot. So don't say, oh, I mean, I'm not sure, like what this, no. And all what we said, they are original, trust me. A lot of fake product out there now, they might say this thing for you €1 because you just want to go for that €1, go get it, but the end of it all, when you use it, it's not gonna work, you know. And we have other ones too. As you can see, original. Always call out us, original, we said. You don't understand. I don't know if you've tried all these, you know, they're not working in our hand. When you buy from us, they work. I said they work. Listen to me and listen well. I don't really have much time now, so that's why I'm trying to do this, you know, see this PGM, you know, everything we sell, they are original. I don't have much time right now. Because I just want to make you all to know, understand this. And so people, you come to my Facebook, you come to my my WhatsApp, and you come tempt me, ask me some silly question. Don't do that. Don't take my leniency for granted. You know, it's not gonna happen because I just be too lenient. I know you can't even ask other persons that question you coming to ask me. If you ask me questions that are not serious, you're not straightforward, I'm not gonna answer you, because I said yes, I want to be answering all questions, you know. And then life now, like as I said earlier, I create a platform that I will be launching in a moment from now. I will be chatting with you one-on-one. Yes, I will be streamlining, chatting with you one-on-one. You know, if you want to buy a product immediately, you can buy a product. If you ask a question, I could answer you, but not silly questions. You know, not silly questions like you get someone irritated. Y'all know what this gel is. So as far as you do your product, as well, if you can go for the natural one, fine. If you want to go for this one, fine. So those of you who don't know how to promise, you do promising for people to burn people's skin. I mean, that's a disease from that habit, you know. I have a lot here, that I want to show you. I have a lot, just that These are orders that someone has already paid for that we're sending out this morning. So don't be scared. I know some people say, "Are you real?" No, fast as ABC. We are real. You hear me? That you want to send your goods out anywhere we send. We just package. Just place your order via the number, or just place your order. I tell you, reach up before you know it. Boom! In the next 4 or 5 days, they ain't in your doorstep. Be anywhere you are. Trust me, AYA Cosmetic. You can also follow us on our Instagram handle AYA Cosmetic Nigeria and our Facebook handle AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So those of you going to adapt for recipe, don't. Just hang out here. You hear me? Pick the number and dial, because when you meet her, yes, she's gonna direct you back. But if you're on our product, fine. Yes, she has one of the best product that's way in Nigeria. Yes, I can lie to you. So us, you see, like we have good product that's way. So don't turn it up, turn it up. You see, this one, as a matter of fact, this is about 3 liters also of Irish Lady Body White. It's a customized cream, you know what I mean? So if you need more of it that y'all want to buy, you need, yes, trust me, in 7 days, man. And let me tell you how to use all these cream people produce, even in as far to the ones the white people produce. You don't know. When you're using a cream, it's an advice I'm giving to you. When you're using a cream and you've gotten the shade you need, then you do what? You discontinue the cream. It doesn't matter that you want to use it till you get disfigure your body. It's not like that. As a matter of fact, this is honest truth I'm telling you. Honest truth I'm telling you. When you're using a cream and you've gotten the shade you needed, you discontinue it. You don't continue till you damage your skin. This skin you see, it's #1 priority for us if you don't know. Yes, if your skin got burned, no man ain't gonna look your face. No woman gonna look your face when you burn your skin. So what's up with you? I tell you, retalk. So mind the way y'all use creams on your body, apply cream, you just keep using the cream and all that, without understanding them. When you're using a cream and you've gotten the shade you like, this is 1 shade, this is 2 shades, this is what I'm okay with. I think I'm done with a shade, and you keep it off. You keep it off. You discontinue it. No, you keep using it until you damage your skin. That is a fair warning. Don't blame me because I'm saying the truth, okay? Don't blame me because I'm saying the truth. So that's a fair warning. Y'all understand all this? It will be good for you and I. You understand? So that when a man see you, he can call you. Hello, fine. That's retalk. Even when a lady see you because you're using cream, using our product or whatever product y'all using, so they can say hello, fine, retalk. You know what I mean? So I've just got to the end of our advice I can give to you this morning. So if you want to book it, or if you want to order for your recipe, for your skincare recipe, your cosmetic, you can count on AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Okay, it's a good one. That's it. My friend, I have to leave you at this point right now. So don't forget to subscribe for you watching my video. Please subscribe. And we have another channel that is really called AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You go search for it. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Search for it. You go see complete videos of ours. Are you getting it? Yes. If today is your first time you're coming, subscribe, like, share, and click on the post notification button for you to get more of our videos. If you're a returning subscriber, please copy the link and share. Just share. God bless you. You know what I mean? Yes. So don't leave us. Always stay with us. Peace out.